Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's TodayInLighting.com, Monday, 10 March, and I hope you had a nice weekend. We're sponsored by Amerlux, producers of the New Grid Cove series. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. AD and Genlyte Solutions Group, a Signify company, have ended their decades-long partnership. The split follows the AD-iMark merger, financial considerations, and strategic shifts. The impact on distributors, industry relationships, and future market dynamics remain to be seen. Details at EdisonReport.com. Ledvance announced on Friday that the U.S. Patent Trial and Appeal Board, the PTAB, has instituted an IPR proceeding against Fight Electric's white filament LED patent. The PTAB's decision acknowledges a reasonable likelihood that the claims asserted by Fight against Ledvance are not patentable. A final ruling is expected within the year, and Ledvance is confident of a favorable outcome. The Avis Lookout Tower in Hungary now features a dynamic Pharos-controlled lighting system, enhancing its iconic presence while enabling energy-efficient, customizable illuminations for cultural and civic celebrations throughout the year. Learn more at designinglightingglobal.com. In a new episode of the Restoring Darkness podcast, Dana Zartner explores her recent essay, The Right to Night, discussing how light pollution impacts health and the environment. As a law professor and writer, she advocates for legal strategies to protect darkness. On Friday, the markets closed out a brutal week. The Dow was up 223 points. NASDAQ was up 127. LSI gained 4 cents. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great week. Pray for peace.